Hi everybody, it's Jama Malmy and I wanted to give you a little sneak peek at what is coming up in Close to My Heart's July-August catalog. So this is what I've purchased so far, and I am going to go through by collection and walk you through what's coming because it is so amazing. So I am going to start out with this paper packet. This is the Summer Vibes collection, and how amazing is this? So this is the paper pack with sticker sheet. It's also available without the sticker sheet, but I just love the sticker sheet. And can you see that shine? There's like a UV coating on some of the stickers. So it's super fun, and they are all a cardstock weight. So it's a really heavy sticker, and that is how all of the stickers are. And then you've got all of these fun little sayings that you can add. You can use them for cards or scrapbook pages and all sorts of things. Now just wait for this paper. Wow, so bright and fun. And I'm going to give you a close-up of each of the patterns. So here is the back of that, like a picnic blanket or tablecloth kind of feel. This one is a beautiful wave pattern, which almost looks like it was inked on with that fun ombre effect. And then this is the back side of that paper with these fun leaves. And look at that zip strip with those hearts. Super, super fun. And wow, look at that. Such a fun pattern with all of the colors and shapes. Love it. And I think this is my favorite one. I love all of those stripes with the watermelon zip strip. Love it. I have a thing for watermelons. So awesome. I have a thing for flamingos too. So this is right up my alley. Okay. And then there's also a coordinating cardstock for all of them. And so this is the coordinating cardstock for Summer Vibes, and it comes with cardstock colors that coordinate with each of the colors in that pack, so that you just get a few colors. I guess it's 2 colors of a bunch of the cardstock that coordinates. Now this is the Picture My Life cards, and I'll walk you through these. I love the Picture My Life cards because there are so many uses for them. You can use them for pocket scrapbooking, which was the original intention of them, but they have so many more uses. You can use them as just embellishments in your scrapbooking. You can cut the images out. You can make cards with them. You can use them as journaling spots on scrapbooking. So many uses. And how cute are these? You can use them as patterned paper to extend the paper packs themselves. You can cut them out with die cuts, like use the tag die cut to cut out some tags. There's all of these fun patterns that coordinate with the paper pack. Each side is very similar, but just a little different, and one goes portrait mode and one goes landscape mode. Love the watermelon. So super awesome. Those are the 3x4 cards, and then there are also 4x6 cards. These also make great mats for your photos. If you cut your photo down a little smaller than 4x6, you can mat them with these. Same with the 3x4. You could mat them with the 3x4 card. How cute. Love these. All right, so there are the Picture My Life cards for Summer Vibes. Oh, look at the sunglasses. Love that. Okay, you could cut the sunglasses out even and use them as embellishments. Okay, so before I move on, oh, and there's these shapes, these acrylic shapes in 2 colors. They give you some dimension on your scrapbook pages or cards. Really fun shapes that coordinate with that paper pack or for anything. Okay, so before I move on, just want to show this to you in the catalog real quick. here is some really awesome artwork. That card. Oh my gosh. So that's the stamp set, which I hadn't shown you yet. This is a stamp set that has a coordinating die for all of the stamps. So everything that has a blue outline, there's a coordinating die cut for it, and that's back here. You can get this as just the stamp set or the stamp and coordinating dies. So super awesome, and that is what they used here. That is so cute. So this is what I wanted to show you in the catalog. There's really, really cute inspiration. And then also there's going to be a Cricut collection, and this will come out on the Cricut website through my affiliate link on July 1st. So it's only available through Close to My Heart Consultants and then you use our Close to My Heart Cricut affiliate link and it takes you to the Close to My Heart exclusive collections. So this is a mini collection that coordinates with this paper pack, and it's only $9.99. Here's some more artwork. That's a stamp set I showed you. Look at that. Here's another stamp set I don't have, but look at how cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then there's some workshops. There's the workshop kit that has some exclusive content, exclusive products that you can make these layouts with. There's lots of die cuts in these already cut for you. So it looks like you used your Cricut, but you didn't. Okay, now I'll save this one for a minute. And this is the Timber paper pack. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of this. And this is great for you outdoors folks, or with boys that use scrapbook, or Father's Day layouts. Look at that hero paper, so fun. I love it. Okay, so here's the back of that. It looks like it's craft paper with a white, almost like a white inked pattern on it. But it's not craft, it's just how the cardstock looks, and then the cute zip strip. There's this fun plaid. Look at that wood grain. My gosh, so pretty. We all love a good wood grain, right? I love wood grain paper. Okay, and then here's another plaid. And the other side of that is these trees. And then look at that zip strip. I love it. I got just the paper pack without the sticker sheet, so I will show you the sticker sheet in the catalog in just a moment. But I want to show you these Picture My Life cards as well. Same idea as the summer vibes, but it goes with this theme. So if you do pocket scrapbooking or want to make some masculine cards, which I am already planning to do with these are just perfect. And can you imagine that on a card with your sentiment stamped here and some pattern paper behind it? That would be a great masculine card. This too. Cut that out and put it on your scrapbook layout. That's an easy one to cut out. And then here are the 4x6s. Love this craft looking one. It's not actually craft, it's just regular cardstock with the craft pattern printed on it. The wood grain, easily a photo mat. The stuff with printing, if you don't like what it says, you can just use this as a photo mat, or use this as pattern paper, or cover this with something. So many uses for these. I wish I had endless time to show you guys all the ideas that run through my head, but I'm sure you can relate. I can't create everything that runs through my head. So that's why I like to show you some of Close to My Heart's artwork to give you some additional ideas as well. Okay, so that is the Timber Picture My Life. Now, this is the mix-in pack, and the idea with the mix-in pack is to extend the other paper packs that are in the catalog. So these will go along with the other paper packs. So there's this beautiful pattern that this one will go with Timber, and then this side will go better with the Summer Vibes. And some of them will work dually. Either side will work with either collection. So this one is like navy blue. It's sapphire stars on white. And then the other side is black and white polka dots, which have my heart. I love black and white, and especially polka dots. So here is Smoothie, like a grid pattern. And this is a polka dot looking, craft looking polka dot paper. There's that fun pattern with a lot of texture in it too. It almost looks like it's printed on canvas. Fun pattern. There's this one. The other side. And then the triangles on peach. And this side it looks like Smoothie and peach. So that is the mix-in pack. And so let me show you what those look like in the catalog. So here's Timber, and look at that inspirational piece. So pretty. Love, love, love it. And the card over here. So this is the sticker sheet that I don't have, but it is super awesome. And then there's also going to be a mini Cricut collection. This isn't showing all of the images, it's just an example, but look at how cute. And then there's craft die cuts as the embellishment to go along with this. And then, like I mentioned, there is a coordinating cardstock pack to go along with every paper pack. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, coordinating stamp sets that go along with. If I had endless money, I could just get everything. But, you know, I gotta pick and choose just like you. Look at this Build a Plaid. Both of these stamp sets have their own sort of plaid looking stamp that you can build on. So the background of this is that. And then I love this layout. This right here is these two. So these both have coordinating die cuts, and you can see that by what is shaded in or what have die cuts. You can get them as just the stamp set or the stamp and die cuts. So here's the workshop kit and the layouts that it creates. So again, there is exclusive stuff in the workshop kits that you can't get standalone. There's a card workshop kit as well. All right, so then I wanted to move on to this. So this stamp set I have right here, and I have so many flower stamp sets that I almost didn't purchase this, but what sold me on it really is these little plus signs and these little arrows, along with how versatile all of the leaves and the flowers are. But I really loved this inspirational artwork on here. I love how those little plus signs look. And then there was a layout on this previous page too, or a card I mean, that I just loved. Look at how those flowers just layer, the flowers and leaves layer up together. I love, love, love that. I think I'll be recreating that card. So, and then this also uses a lot of the mix-in papers. So you can see the use of the mix-in papers over here. Look at that set. If you love sunflowers, you will love this. Okay, and then the last thing I want to show you, which I don't have yet because it is a special for July, and I can't even purchase it until July, is this Happiest Place. So if you are a Disney fan or have lots of Disney pictures that you need to scrapbook, you are going to want this July special. Look at how amazing this is. So this is silver foil. You cannot tell on here, but it's silver foil, all of this silvery gray that you see on the sticker sheet. Here is the paper pack. So fun. This is silver foiled cardstock. The others, there's some regular cardstock and then some silver foiled cardstock in the pack. These are black acrylic shapes that are matte on one side and shiny on the other. Another mini Cricut collection, which is so awesome. Look at that stamp set with thin cuts. So cute. Look at that layout. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I already scrapbooked most of my Disney pictures from when I took my daughter, but I'm sure I can dig out more. Or we're gonna go again, I'm sure. These are digital art, so you can use them to cut out HTV and put on your albums. It's basically like a Cricut collection, but instead of being through Cricut, you get an SVG and you get the whole bundle for $5. You get the SVG on those. And then this is a cut above layout kit, which means that everything is pre-printed and pre-cut for you. You just assemble. So this is the an 8.5 by 11 size to make an 8.5 by 11 book. So if you took a Disney trip and you want to have an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook to document it, this is the perfect option. And there's actually going to be a virtual workshop or a virtual crop for that. So you'll want to stay tuned. And there's some new dies and some new colors of shimmer brushes. Look at how awesome. These are 6 by 6 pages. How cute are those? And the July stamp of the month. And the August stamp of the month. So there is a quick look at some of the new products coming up. They will be available July and August 2020. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy. And if you have any questions, then let me know. I will put my link to my Close to My Heart website down in the description below if you want to check these products out in this time period. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.